Hello, my friends. How are you today? I hope you're having a really good day. This is Teacher Nada, your teacher for the session, and welcome back. Okay, so our title for today is favorite seasons. Favorite? I mean, like we love them a lot, and seasons. Okay, that's good. So let's jump into the learning outcomes. Well, the learning outcomes are the things you're supposed to know by the end of the session, so let me read them for you. So simply you'll be able to, number one, talk about your favorite season and describe seasonal activities. 2, use the grammar structure in season I like to correctly in a good way, in a correct way. 3, write a short paragraph about your favorite season. Okay, that sounds awesome. And I will see you in the warm-up activity. Okay, so yeah, simply here, what do you see in this picture? What can you see? Yes, the 4 seasons of the year, like spring, summer, winter, and autumn. Good. And let me ask you, which season do you like the most? Or like, which one is your favorite? Okay, winter. Yes, me too. I love winter. All right. Okay, so now you have to go and watch a video for 3 times, and when you come back, we will answer these questions. But first, before watching, I need you to read the questions. Well, question 1, what's Omar's favorite season and why? 2, what does Aisha like about winter? 3, what activities do they both enjoy? Yes, now please go and watch it and I'll wait for you.
What's your favorite season?
I love summer because I can go swimming and play outside. What about you?
I prefer winter because I like cold weather. I love drinking hot chocolate.
That sounds nice. Do you like snow?
Yes, I love building snowmen and having snowball fights.
That's fun. But I think I'd rather go to the beach.
What's your favorite season?
I love summer because I can go swimming and play outside. What about you?
I prefer winter because I like cold weather. I love drinking hot chocolate.
That sounds nice. Do you like snow?
Yes, I love building snowmen and having snowball fights.
That's fun. But I think I'd rather go to the beach.
What's your favorite season?
I love summer because I can go swimming and play outside. What about you?
I prefer winter because I like cold weather. I love drinking hot chocolate.
That sounds nice. Do you like snow?
Yes, I love building snowmen and having snowball fights.
That's fun. But I think I'd rather go to the beach.
Okay, welcome back. So, the first one, what's Omar's favorite season? Yes, he loves summer. Well, why? Yes, because he can go swimming and play outside. Well, 2, what does Aisha like about winter? Yeah, she loves drinking hot chocolate. Okay. 3, what activities do they both enjoy? Yes, building snowmen and having snowball fights. Okay, that's really good. And yeah, let's see on the vocabulary part. Okay, so the first word here is summer. 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 Yeah, please repeat it. In summer, it's really hot, the sun is shining. Yeah, summer. We can swim, and that's it. Then we have winter. 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 Yeah, in winter, it's the opposite. Like, it's really cold and freezing. It's snowing, raining, and everything's cold. Everything's like we have snow, we have rain. Yeah, winter. Spring. 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 Yeah, in the spring we have the flowers. The sun is like warm and light. In Arabic we say Rabia. Autumn. 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 Yes, in the autumn, the leaves fall. There's somehow like wind. Yes, in Arabic we say Kharif. Yes, hot. 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 Yes. The opposite is cold. 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 Then we have warm. Warm. Warm, and by the way, warm is a positive word. It's a good thing to feel warm. Cool, cool, cool. And cool means cold, but not in a bad way. Cool, it means cold in a good way. Snowy, snowy, snowy. Rainy, rainy, rainy. Then we have windy, windy, windy. Okay, sunny, sunny, sunny. Okay, yes. So let's have our first practice. So yeah, simply just as we know, we have to match the words with the sentences, match together. So the first one, the season when flowers bloom. Yes, spring. The season when leaves fall. Yes, autumn. Okay, a day with no clouds and a lot of sun. Sunny, yes. The coldest season. Yes, winter. Well, 5. The season when the weather is very hot. Summer, of course. Well, a day with a strong wind. Windy. Well, a season when it rains a lot. Yes, rainy. Good job. Well, when the temperature is not too hot and not too cold. Yeah, it's cool. Well, the last one, when there's ice and snow outside. Yes, snowy, good job. So let's see the phonics part. Okay, so here in the phonics, we will learn about the silent letters. Well, so silent letters in seasonal words, for example, autumn. Did I pronounce the N in autumn? Like, did I say autumn? No, I didn't say that. Okay, so in N or the N in autumn is silent. We don't pronounce it. Okay, cold, silent D. Okay, at the end, the D is spoken very fast that I barely hear it. So I don't say like cold. No, it's cold. Cold. I barely hear it, it's like very fast. Yes, so it's considered one of the silent letters in seasonal words. Okay, let's jump into the reading. Well, here in the reading, we have a small text. We have to read it together. Well, so every year, the weather changes with the seasons. In spring, flowers bloom and the weather is warm and rainy. In summer, the sun shines brightly and people love to go to the beach. Autumn comes next, and leaves turn orange and yellow. The air is cool and fresh. Then winter arrives, and it's the coldest season. In some places, snows, and people wear warm clothes. Each season is special and brings different activities to enjoy. Yes, that was good. Let's answer the questions. So, question 1, what happens in spring? Yes, flowers bloom, good job, and the weather is really warm and rainy. Okay, so what do people do in summer? Yeah, they go to the beach. Well, 3, how does the weather change in autumn? Yes, the air is cool and fresh, and also the leaves turn orange and yellow. Okay, that is good. So yeah, I will see you in the grammar. Okay, so here in the grammar, we have to learn how to use this phrase correctly. What's the phrase? In plus the season, I like to plus the verb. So you use it to talk about seasonal activities. So for example, in summer, here's like in plus the season, summer, I like to plus the verb, I like to swim. Okay, and of course the verb after to will be in clean base form without any additions. So in summer, I like to swim. In winter, I like to drink hot chocolate. Okay, good. Well, let's have our second practice, and as we know, we just need to choose the correct answer. So, first one, in winter, I like to a snowman. Yes, to build a snowman. 2, in summer, I like to the beach. Go to the beach. Okay. 3, in spring, I like to flowers. Yes, catch flowers or pick flowers, I'm sorry. Yeah. 4, in autumn, I like to the leaves fall. Yes, I like to watch the leaves fall. In summer, I like to ice cream. Eat ice cream. 6, in winter, I like to warm clothes. Yes, I like to wear. 7, in autumn, I like to hot tea. Yes, drink hot tea. Good job. Okay, and yeah, I will see you in the speaking. Well, simply here in the speaking part, I need you to speak about your seasonal preferences, okay? Well, so simply you have to describe your favorite season by going through these questions. First one, you have to choose your favorite season, number one. Two, you can describe what's the weather like, okay? Like, is it hot, sunny, windy, and so on. Three, what activities do you do in this season, like swimming, building snowmen, and so on? And the last one, what do you wear in this season? Okay? Yes, good. And please, while doing it, try to use the vocabulary and the grammar, of course. Let me ask you, what did you learn today? Yes, that is awesome. And this marks the end of our session. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next session, and don't forget your homework. Bye.